All right, so this is the new form. So we're gonna try some submissions here. So I'm just gonna fill it in with garbage data. All right. There we go. So I'm going to submit it. What we should see, there we go. Got information coming in. I'm just going to change this back a little bit so we have some additional data. So you can see my name's in here a bunch of times. And what I want to show you here is this is how you can kind of go through things. We got a little drop-down list. So if I choose myself, what you can see here is that it's going to break it down by weeks. I know this isn't optimal in terms of the number of weeks, but that's what I can do kind of programmatically. It's like the 31st week of the year or something like that. And then it kind of adds all the pieces together. Now, the chart you can move to a place that's kind of out of the way as you go through here and look at what has been logged. It's not optimal, but given we're in a spreadsheet, that's probably the best we're going to do. But it also breaks it down here in these individual pages per student and then does the sharing. What we need to decide is if we want the student snap charts, but before I built out the chart piece for them, I wanted to make sure this looks kind of like what you want, in that we got the translation practice per week adding up, and the same thing with the other practice, and then it's broken down in this way that you see, and I did some trend lines, but that may or may not be useful. So this is a good thing maybe to talk about. Happy to have a meeting.